Hi rising farmers, welcome to my farm. My name is Ongia Brian Daniel. I studied agriculture way back from Uganda. So this is my farm. I have a very big farm and I take care of around 750 plus students. Section, this is our hydroponics. It's not so much a complicated technology, though it's high tech, it is great. But what I've used here, I've used really locally available materials, as you can see. The connection, I have my pipe, irrigation pipes, which I use to connect them. I have my tank of water. I have my stands that I used, the pump. So what is majorly important here, this is my thesis. This is simply growing off of vegetables in soilless media. Now, how do we do this? We get in our tank, 100 liter. So what we do is we always apply the fertilizer when the pH is so high, and also when the EC of the water is too low. That's when we try to normalize everything, because for the plant to grow well, it needs acidic conditions. Now, we put it inside here. This pump helps us to make this water rotate, because the water runs from here to the pump, it runs straight, and it all through, runs all through the process. Now, what happens is sometimes our water level lowers, but now we try to stop in that. You can see this is our float. So this is the float. When the water level is low, there is always constant water. So when it reaches a level, it stops automatically. We expect to harvest this lettuces and onions in about 3 pots from now. The most important thing is, one, you need to have this tank, you need to have the pump, you need to have the power source, you need to have your fertilizer, and you need to have the crops. So this is my best part of agriculture actually. This is what I like, this area of the farm. It's a greenhouse. This is where most of my best vegetables come from, especially tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, paper, and eggplant. I have tomato, which is 1 row. I have cherry, I have eggplant, I have pepper, 2 rows. We're going to experiment the different ways of growing our tomatoes, and we shall compare the fruits, the level of growth in this. This greenhouse, we're demonstrating a simple experiment between the growing of cucumber in the coconut media and growing it on the poralites. As you can see right now, you find that in coconut, the cucumbers are doing very well and they're growing very fast. But if you see in poralites, they are not so well. They are healthy, but they are not growing so fast. They are not like this. Now, the reason being, when you're growing crops in poralites as a soil media, it doesn't hold water. It allows fast water infiltration, and the crop cannot have water all through, compared to coconut, because coconut holds water for long, and the plant is able to have the water for a long time. And also, the most important thing is, when you're growing it in this media in poralites, we always give it what? Fertilizer after each and every 2 days. So I have students here from Philippines who are doing their research project here. They're checking in the rate of growth, the number of leaves. They will check in the weight of the fruits, number of fruits, and the gestation period between between this